Started in 2009, Hypospadias Foundation is an organization dedicated towards treatment and better outcomes for children and adults having hypospadias or disorders of sex development. Located within the Mitra Hospital, which is a very unique hospital started by super specialist doctors who really care for the children, at Hypospadias Foundation, we are making a real difference to the outcomes.
At Hypospadias Foundation, we give personalized care to children and adults with hypospadias and help them achieve best possible outcome. Our commitment in this area makes us one of the best centers for hypospadias and DSD management.
Every child or an adult with hypospadias is different from another, and this carries very unique pathology in each case. Working together as a team, we ensure that we do our best during the pre-surgery workup, during surgery, and even post-op care so that the outcomes can be really good.
Counseling for hypospadias is very crucial since it involves a genital abnormality and is a cause of concern among parents and adults with hypospadias. The care we give involves psychosocial, financial, and medical aspects.
For more than 10 years, we have worked together and managed a variety of hypospadias, right from simple to complex to children who have failed multiple surgeries elsewhere. And working together on this with a very dedicated focus has led to very good outcomes. Our complication rate currently is less than 10% across all kinds of hypospadias.
We do a lot of research work at Hypospadias Foundation, and some of our current projects involve parental concerns in hypospadias, technical aspects in buccal mucosa urethroplasty, bias flap urethroplasty, glans intact bias urethroplasty, use of dermal grafts, penile torsion correction, and 5-alpha reductase deficiency.
It is not only the treatment of hypospadias which is important, but also going and educating the community that this disease can be treated, and also educating the healthcare workers what is the right time of referring a patient or what is the right time of doing the surgery. That becomes very important, and all these put together remain a very important mission for us at Hypospadias Foundation. Working together as a team, we have been privileged to take care of more than 1500 adults and children with hypospadias and DSD, and it really makes us very fortunate and very privileged that we are able to make difference to so many lives.
We have been invited to various national and international conferences to speak about our hypospadias treatment, and sharing our experiences can help others achieve a best outcome.
For patients with complex hypospadias or earlier failed surgeries, having a good outcome can really change their lives. We get a lot of children and adults who have undergone multiple surgeries elsewhere and lost all hope. We work with them together as a team, we build up their confidence, we offer them very unique repairs and surgeries, all with one goal. We should never lose hope on hypospadias.
At Hypospadias Foundation, we get children from various states of India and also from outside the country. Children from more than 25 countries come to Hypospadias Foundation and get benefited from the treatment.
DSD or disorders of sex development is a condition where the baby's genital organs are not normal and even the internal reproductive organs may not be normal. These children require a very special workup which involves chromosomal analysis, hormonal analysis, and even radiological tests. For these children, we work together with endocrinologists who are trained in pediatric endocrinology to give them the right diagnosis and the correct line of management so that they grow up to be functionally normal individuals in the society. If you're worried about the outcomes of previous surgery or if your child has a complex hypospadias, I think a second opinion is a good way to go. You can take second opinion from Hypospadias Foundation in many different ways. The simplest way is to go to our website www.hypospadiasfoundation.com, click on the Inquire Now button and click on the patient inquiry form. It just takes up a minute to fill up the inquiry form and send it to us. You can send us an email at hypospadiasfoundationindia@gmail.com. You can even WhatsApp us at +91 98212 61448. We will get back to you within 2 to 3 days.
When you're visiting India for the treatment, you may have a lot of questions and you will need support. Our team helps in arranging visa and accommodation. When you come for the treatment to the hospital, you can stay in the hospital for the initial few days and later move on to a nearby location.
Kharghar is the place where Hypospadias Foundation is located. It is within the city of Navi Mumbai, which is the city of 21st century and one of the most livable cities in India. We will welcome you all with open arms and make sure that we take care of you. Teamwork is very important when we aim to give good results to the patients with hypospadias or DSC. We are blessed to have a wonderful team at Mitra Hospital where we work together with only one goal in our mind: how to get you better. We are a team of 3 surgeons, myself, Dr. Ashwita and Dr. Manish Dubey, who is an adult urologist. For every case, we do detailed discussions about the anatomy, about the pre-surgery workup, about the surgery, the steps which need to be taken during surgery and post-operative care. This teamwork and decision making really helps us having good outcomes for the patients.
Besides the surgical team, at Hypospadias Foundation, we have 3 stellar individuals who help us with this Hypospadias work. This involves Dr. Rajkumar Gupta, who is the coordinator at Hypospadias Foundation and has been involved for more than 10 years and takes care of the pre and post surgical work. We also have Dr. Ajit Baviskar and Mr. Suraj Gedam, who is involved in other administrative work and helps patient in visa, travel and accommodation and all other types of work.
Safety during surgery is very important, and we are blessed to have an excellent anesthesia team which gives anesthesia to these children and adults, which is the first and foremost requirement for any surgery. Dr. Poonam Badlikar and Dr. Bernali, they are both pediatric anesthetists with more than 10 years of experience in dealing with small children, even newborn babies. Dr. Ashish Korgaonkar and Dr. Balakrishna Nagarguje are also skilled in giving anesthesia to children as well as adults. Without the presence of these people in our team, it would be very difficult to do quality work. Our team at Hypospadias Foundation is committed and dedicated towards hypospadias.
Together, we hope to make a difference.